Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We have here the Infinix XBand and the Techlife Smartband. On this video, this is the second video review for the comparison. This time we are going to compare the menus and features. On our previous video, we compared the design, the specs, and the UI. This time, it's all about the features. So, if you want to know more about the Infinix XBand versus the Techlife Smartband, watch this video. And again, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two wearables. So, we have both do have a sporty design, and as you can see here, single button here, power on and off, and return button. We have a crown button here. It's not rotary. And we have a dedicated sports button. So before we check on the menus, here are the UI. Again, options and settings. On the bottom part, we have notifications also. Okay, widgets. Here we have the menus. On the other side, we have the menus and features. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. The same with our Techlife Smartband. So let's compare the menus and features here. Okay, so this is the first one, activity. Go back. We have the sleep monitoring. Let's check. Next, we have the heart rate. So which do you think has a better UI? We have the sports functions. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports, both indoor and outdoor sports functions. Okay, the next, we have a blood oxygen monitoring. We also have here a weather report, calendar. We also have here a music player. Let's see the music player. We have a timer. Almost have the same style here. We have an alarm, remote shutter. We have a flashlight, find phone. We have a calculator. Let's see if we do have a calculator here. Okay, seems like we don't have a calculator here for our Techlife Smartband. Okay, we have it here. Okay, so different UI here. We have relaxation. We have breathing exercises here. We almost have the same features here, I think. We have display, watch face, menu view, vibration, okay, same style. Multiple language support. We have the QR code here. We have a passcode. We have a security for our Techlife Smartband. Let's see. We don't have it here. We have the about, system, and shutdown. The same. Okay. Again, for the main menus, let's check. So which do you think is better in terms of features? I think as you can see here, they almost have the same options. Both do have a heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, alarm, timer, and calculator. I think it will just vary on the, or I think it will have a very big difference when it comes to the sports and to the accuracy of its sensors. But in terms of offered features here, they have the same menus or features. Again, this is the Infinix XBand compared with the Techlife Smartband. So in terms of design, of course, the Infinix XBand is much better, but in terms of menus and features, I think they are just the same. Okay, for the accuracy, we will check on that as we go on with our review of smartband and smartwatches. So that's it for our comparison review of the two wearables. If you have any questions regarding the Infinix XBand compared with the Techlife Smartband, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.